I'm getting married today. I mean, not the day that I'm recording it, but the day that you're watching it. So, 28th November 2021, I am getting married. So, before I move into my new home, my new studio, from where I'm going to keep bringing you excellent nutrition videos, I thought that I want to look back onto my professional journey of the last 1.5 years, because pandemic was the time which actually changed my life, both personally and professionally. So, personally, I just told you what I'm going to do today. And right about the time when I met him was the time when I started this YouTube channel. And I also wanted to celebrate the 1000 subscriber family with you guys. So, I'm going to review and watch my first video with you guys today. And I'm also going to keep telling you what all other things I have added into the profile, into the channel, and into my own life personally and professionally both. So let's get started. So this is my first video and I'm going to watch it with you all now.
उसने मुझे समझाया कि खाना खा के भी वेट कम किया जा सकता है.
The people who are not Hindi speaking, she said that she just realized that it's okay and it is fine and it is completely possible to lose weight while eating stomach full.
Sweet. And I was wondering कि ना मैं egg खाती हूँ ना मैं milk खाती हूँ. How will I ever gain muscle?
So she is a vegan and she was converting to veganism when she started her sessions with me, and she lifts weight like an animal. So yeah, matching up protein requirements is something which I think is such a discussion and such a debate that whether vegan people get their enough protein or not, they do. Yes, they do.
So she came into the picture and she really helped me build my muscle mass without relying on any supplements or any eggs, things like that which I never wanted to have.
We all know at least someone who has some weight issues, right? Everyone knows one person who has some weight issue. And in for WHO also confirms the fact, because 1 in 3 adults are obese, overweight. So that was my talk which I gave in Singapore in 2018, and the talk was about the effect of industrial chemicals and toxicants on our health and on our lifestyle disorders like diabetes, PCOD, hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, fertility, and everything. So yeah, that was a clip from that talk. I have the full video of that talk. If anyone of you is interested, just let me know in the comments and I'll share it with you.
That's my research work. And
that was one of the sports nutrition certification that I did. This was back in 2018, but then I was not very satisfied with it. So I studied sports nutrition again with Sports Authority of India, and it was a back-breaking process, but I enjoyed every bit of it. So yeah. So that was my name in the brochure of the talk that I gave. In fact, after that, I have given 3 or 4 more international talks. Because of COVID, all the talks were happening online. So I had given many talks online, but then this was my first talk offline, and of course it is always going to be special. So yeah.
She doesn't just throw a chart in your face and tells you to follow it.
बहुत अच्छी तरह से आपको पहले समझती है, आपके शेड्यूल को समझती है.
She's shooting right now. Get here, Manisha. Manisha ma'am.
That was one of the best moments of my career because this is the place where I've learned everything. I have worked with Fitness First Delhi for 5.5 years, and that was the most enriching experience of my professional life. I've learned everything that I know there, and yeah, I was awarded Nutrition Counselor of the Year in the year 2019. So yeah, that was a nice memory. That was my manager, and the whole team was. That was a nice moment.
Ladies and gentlemen.
So, the people who do not know, she's Mandira Bedi. She is the fitness icon among the senior most actors in Bollywood. So, yeah.
So this used to be like a monthly ritual in Fitness First, where 3 personal trainers and 3 nutrition counselors pan India used to be awarded as the top performers. And among the 5 years of me working there, I received, I guess, around 40 of these certificates. And the decision was done on the basis of how many people want to take sessions from us and how many people want to keep renewing their sessions with us. So yeah, that was the basis, and I was very, very lucky, fortunate to have clients who just loved me the way they did, and thanks to them I used to be top performer every month. Yeah.
So, one word which can describe you, according to me, is you're my personal food encyclopedia.
You have changed my whole perspective about weight loss, my food. You have taught me how to respect my body, how to respect my environment, how to eat healthy, how to stay healthy.
These are a few articles that I wrote for various magazines and newspapers and everything.
Besides being an excellent nutritionist, she is a very good, humble human being. Always caring, always giving advice.
They kept pushing me to start sleeping earlier, seeing my dark circles, and now they are fading.
I've seen her interacting with people and telling them that dieting कुछ फायदा नहीं करेगी. You have to get your nutrition in place.
मुझे खुद बिलीव नहीं हो रहा था कि ऐसा कैसे होगा, बट ऐसा हुआ है.
I have maintained my weight plus the body mass.
Manisha, she's knowledgeable. She's foodie. She's crazy.
छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका.
The kind that helps put a smile on another face.
Always be there for me.
कि मैं इतनी जल्दी पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाली, मनीषा.
So that was the video. There were testimonials from a few people whom I'm going to meet today. I mean, the wedding day, because they're so close. Because they have been with me for so long. And one thing which I realized over a period of time, and specifically during pandemic, was that yes, these before and after pictures and these testimonials can motivate someone to do something about their life. However, if I talk specifically about the before and after pictures, I don't think it is a right way to take inspiration from somebody else's before and after, because if you are getting inspired by somebody's change in their body, you are just looking at that picture. You're not looking at what their shortcomings were, what their struggles were, what are your struggles compared to theirs, what are the things which work for them and what do not work for you, so on and so forth. So everybody is a different individual, and different things work for different people. And realizing that, and the power that this thought can have negatively on people, because there might be people who get motivated by seeing somebody else, but when they start doing the same thing on their own, they might see a lot of struggles in their own life, which the before and after person did not have. So it's important to realize that everybody is different, and everybody requires an individualistic approach and a customized approach to health. So this was one realization which made me kind of stop posting these before and after pictures. And in fact, as I am growing in this field, as I am continuing to study more and more, like I studied for sports nutrition, I also studied 2 courses in Ayurveda. The more I study, the more I realize that it's the basics which need to be fixed. It's nothing fancy which is going to work for anybody for the health sake. And that whole concept itself has shown me the power of individualized approach. So if you have been anywhere motivated looking at this video, and you want to work with me, you can write to me on this email ID. However, I will be replying to you after 15th December 2021, because I'm taking off for marriage. And the aspiring nutritionist, I have something for you. The upcoming 2 videos I have recorded, they have been edited, I'm scheduling them, and you are going to see them right on time, Sunday 10 a.m. Just look at them. What I have done in those videos is given you an educational roadmap of how you can become a nutritionist, what all things are there which you can study. And in the second video, I have documented what is the financial aspect of becoming a nutritionist. So how much of a financial success can you expect if you become a nutritionist? So I hope you are going to look forward to those videos, and you are going to like this video, because going down the memory lane anyway was special, but with you guys, of course, it is all the more special. And I am going to enjoy my day, I promise. And by the time I think you finish watching this video, I will be already married, or I will be getting ready to get married. So yeah, I am going to see you next week. Same time, same day, Sunday 10 a.m. IST. Till then, be a fit foodie, and remember, I love you unconditionally. Bye.